based on time available. Partly, Barry, yeah. So some people come to me and say they want to make, they want to make 20% a month. I'm like, how much time have you got? I've got an hour a day. Well, it's not going to work, or it's very unlikely. You're going to have to over leverage to be able to do it. So this is where working with us is really useful, because we've got myself on swing, Kerry on day, Martin on day, and you can, if you've got time, do a combination of the two. You can hyper focus on one or the other, and then you can get a realistic outcome. If somebody said to me, I've got an hour a week, hour a week, then I would probably say, well, you want to be focusing on trading our monthly strategy, our beat the bank strategy, because then you only have to put in a couple of, basically less than an hour a month at a certain point. And in terms of return for time, it's better. So it's a little bit about being realistic. And you're going to find that on the kickstart, once you get to the end of week 4, is you'll have a plan relative to time. So then what that does is that creates a balanced expectation going forward, because often traders will get skewed because their expectation is out. All right. So I'll come to questions from you guys in a second. All right. So let's just see what Simon said here as well. Yeah. So strategies, as I said, purely pullbacks with the trend. That's all I traded. I tried against the trend. Now, maybe at that time I didn't have enough skill in the data department, and I maybe wasn't combining strategy and discretion the same way I do now, but I just found it hard to find against the trend points intraday. I find it much easier to do that on swing trades. So yeah, pure with the trend, 5-minute pullbacks, very, very simple. But the 60-minute momentum was the key for me. That was my filter. And it meant I missed out sometimes on pullbacks. That happened early, but it meant I felt good about the trade when I took it. All right. And that was partly, though, I used that filtering on my day trading because I was trading multiple markets, rather than if I was trading one market, I might not use 60-minute momentum. If I was to go back now, I might look at it doing it a slightly different way. So I would probably more likely to focus on one market like Kerry does. But Martin, in one of our day trading rooms, he looks for these criteria, and we'll be looking across filtering 12 markets early in the morning for that. All right. Good. So